What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in knowing how I made this delicious looking catfish pepper soup, please keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Thank you, guys.
Don't you think that you do it too extra? I can hear your doubt, it's so loud, you don't need that. You don't need to panic now. I'm gon' bleed if you leave. Oh, who could sing my song, go, all night long, go? Who could listen to my voice? Who could give me ginger? Who could sing my song, go, all night long, go? Who could listen to my voice? Who could give me ginger? Who could sing my song, go, all night long, go? Yeah. Who could listen to my voice? Who could give me ginger? Who could sing my song, go, all night long, go? Yeah. Who could listen to my voice? Who could give me ginger? All night long, go. Yeah. Sing my song, go, all night long, go. Yeah. Sing my song, go, all night long, go. Yeah. Sing my song, go, yeah. Don't you think that you're doing too extra? I don't like when you reducing the pressure. So you feeling, I'm feeling broken. Concluded too quick, don't receive to your actions. Know you wanna get inside of my feelings, cause your fake switching, chill and relaxing. Calm down and let his face get past us. We be alright if you do what I ask of you. You do be calm, you know the madness. Cuddle me soft, touching me reckless. I want your body for dinner and breakfast. In and raw, baby, and for the ethics. So what you want to do, girl? You know I'm down to you, yeah. If you leave, oh, who could sing my song, go, all night long, go? Who could listen to my voice? Who could give me ginger? Who could sing my song?
Imalotata imechi Ifugono tata mane makechi adi. Yesterday has passed away. Tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Imalotata imechi Ifugo tata imakechi adi.
So this is it though. This was how I made my spicy delicious catfish pepper soup in just 15 minutes. It was so nice that in fact, guys, I enjoyed myself. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribed at this point. See you again in my next video. Bye.